So now I'm going to share you about the thing like we talked a little bit about our success. So with this one, I'm going to put it on this one we're going to talk a little bit about our success I mentioned. So my main topic about in this presentation, I want to do a very quick one is about I want to talk about the formula of success. So basically it should be two formula of success, basically two fundamental things you can implement in your life to become successful in your life on this part. So with this one, I just don't want to go and introduce myself again. More or less everybody of you know me, but like it's just my passion is to help companies and organizations to transform their process, technology, and service model, and also the people by empowering them, upskilling them so they can become successful together and achieve more bigger goal. And that's why I have created VSHR Pro Academy and go to work for other companies and everyone who work with me, and also want to enlighten you and empower you so you guys can go on and keep achieving more bigger goals. First of all, I want to say that each of you are just amazing because each of you made it times. Probably some of you love to have afternoon naps. You give up your afternoon naps. We have trainer like Rajneesh who also manage the time, prepare the slide, and joining everyone for only one purpose is to learn something, get some skill, so we can implement in our life and career to become more successful together. So I want to say you are all amazing, and I want to give you a big thumbs up for you're that kind of success-oriented, prospective mindset and prosperous mindset which you have, and that's why it really inspired me to come and give you more values in this part as well too. By the way, the whole presentation will be recording as well too. So if I'm going so fast, we'll be editing this video and we're sharing back as well too, so you can actually review that later on as well too. But however, being in a presentation is more exciting because you can ask a lot of valuable questions and get a lot of insights from the trainer. So I want to ask one questions to you guys. So when you look at this logo, VSHR Pro Academy, what it comes to your mind? So let me start with one other person. I would like to request to Nung to come online and say what it comes to your mind when you see VSHR Pro Academy logo.
Well, when I see the logo of VSHR, I see the two different colors. Yes, I think that the red colors, I mean the energetic person of people, and the blue means I think that's maybe the horse. Yes.
Okay. So now I'd like to request Fee to share us. When you see VSHR Pro Academy logo, what do you see?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yep.
My first impression is HR is something about human relation, human resource, or human relationship, but actually it's not. It's health revolution. So it might create a little bit confused, but actually, our mission is about people, right? And so
thank you, Fee, for sharing. Let me move on to the next person. Ian, when you see this logo, what it comes to your mind first?
Oh yeah, so I share the same opinion with Mr. Fee. Like I noticed the HR, I noted the HR character, yeah, and I related it to human resources, yeah. But it turns out it's not really like that.
All right, thank you for sharing. Now I want to tell you one thing. When we see the VSHR Pro Academy logo, the first thing I see you. I see you, Fee. I see you, Tien. I see Abdullah. I see Min. I see Hanok. I see Fung. Every one of you is VSHR Pro Academy. It's just a logo. What you do and what you achieve is VSHR Pro Academy. You are all VSHR Pro Academy. You are VSHR Pro Academy, nothing else. A logo, a paper, an art, a culture, spirit. Those are all we can imagine. But end of the day, the team VSHR Pro Academy is you. You are VSHR Pro Academy. Everybody in the team member of VSHR Pro Academy are VSHR Pro Academy. So to be answered with you, VSHR Pro Academy absolutely focus on HR and people. Health is not a matter. Health is other enterprise of VSHR group. VSHR Pro Academy focus on people and culture of companies. We focus on B2B sales, and that's why we're organizing these B2B sales to close and really and solve the problem on these companies. Because when we go to meet the companies, we need to go through their standard process, which is called sales. So now I'm going to go back to my presentation again. So again, remember, VSHR Pro Academy is you, Fee, Abdullah, Nok, Tien, Min, Mifung, Ngang. You guys are all VSHR Pro Academy. You are the one who do anything you do, it's become VSHR Pro Academy. So the team VSHR Pro Academy, whatever it is VSHR Pro Academy. The paper, the logo, the art, the color, it's just a representation what we do. So let me go back to my presentation. So I believe that, don't worry about this part. I have already asked probably almost 1,000 professionals in different companies. 99.99% couldn't make it right. So don't feel bad because you didn't get it right too. But from today, you can get it right because now you know the answer. VSHR Pro Academy is you. You are VSHR Pro Academy. That's it. Because me, VSHR Pro Academy, the same. What I do, what I believe, what I do is VSHR Pro Academy too. And the same applies to all of you guys, the team VSHR Pro Academy.